Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to change font size in Google Docs. Now here, as you can see, I have this text inside my Google Docs document. And now let's say that you want to change its size. You just should highlight it like so, and you have three main ways. The first way is to click on this plus icon right here, just like so. Or you want to click on the font size and choose the font size that you actually need. This is the second method. The third method is to type here the number that you actually need. This is the third method. Now, the fourth method is to use the shortcuts. So in order to increase the size, you just have to click on Ctrl plus Shift plus the period. Or if you want to decrease the size, you just have to click on Ctrl plus Shift plus comma, just like so. So here are the four main methods on how you can actually decrease and increase the size of the font on Google Docs. And if you are using a Mac, the shortcuts are going to be Command plus Shift plus comma to decrease the size, or Command plus Shift plus the period in order to increase the font. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.